Hello YouTube, this is Cody with Variety Work, coming at you with another video. I told you I was going to give you guys an update on the hit and miss motor for the, figure out why it wasn't running, and anyways, I made the stand. I sanded up the contacts of the magneto, and I put a new spark plug in it and got it to roll over a couple times. Apparently I flooded the dang thing out, so I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see it working. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So here we go. Don't you just love the sound of the old hit and miss engine just clickety banging away? I think the last time I talked to you guys about maintaining these things, but I guess I could do another video about that, but I don't know, I'm already doing it. So you got up here you got these two oilers, and then right in here you got two cups to put oil in, and your magneto lubrication down there. And then I learned another one over at Pike Fair that we just got done with yesterday, and you got to oil the springs up for the valves. But I decided to put something in there less irritating. I put a couple pieces of wood in it to rotate them around, because eventually I'm going to bring this table saw over here, but I'm not quite sure when I'm going to do that, because Amish guy taught me how to file the teeth on the saw. So we just got done filing the teeth, and what I want to do is I want to be able to put this thing on here and try it and see what it does. But anyways, I'm going to turn the camera back around so I can do my outro. Nothing else to report on, but this is Cody with Variety Work. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. You can do that by clicking the subscribe button. It's got the the blue and white 8-on-4 tractor with Krampus military trailer in the background. You can click the icon and push the subscribe button, click the like button, Click that notification bell so you know when I post future videos. And anyways, tell your friends, share it. Let's make it popular. This is Cody with Variety Work, over and out.